All right, what I'm doing is I'm putting together a kayak lift assist, and this is 1.5 inch PVC, and I'm cutting it to make all the different modifications that I need to make this hoist rack. So I'm going to cut using this tool, which is very handy. It's a lot less messy, and as you can see, it makes it pretty quick. Okay, as you can see, this is the hoist lift assist for my kayak. Kayak weighs about 65 to 70 pounds, and it's getting tougher and tougher to lift that up. So what you're seeing right now is 1.5 inch PVC, which is making a kind of a sled, a ramp. And up here I've got several T's and a couple of curves that kind of hold it on. And what you saw me cut just a few minutes ago is the one leg that's going to go right here like this, but there will be a cross member in it. So that's basically what it looks like. And what it will do, it will pick the kayak up sideways and slide it up and over and then onto the actual kayak rack. Okay, up here you can see the top of the rack. It's a goby rack, a stealth is what they call it. And I've got the crossbars with the front saddle, and I've got the Holy rollers that go in the back, and the Holy rollers will be very easy to get the boat off of the rack. So as you can see, not quite done up here, and this will be the pulley that runs the cable from the drill winch, and you'll see all that happen later. But that's an overview of what we got up top. All of the framework done, and I just did add one more T right here to hold the whole sled from sliding up. So you can see it fits right underneath the goby rack. Okay, I've got the top hanger all set, the sled. Now I'm going to put the legs in. Okay, here we are up on the other side of the Jeep. You can see the hanger and the pulley, and then you can also see this is my drill winch that comes in real handy. That's what helps me get the kayak down off the wall. It's fixed here, and all the line runs out, and my drill fits over here on the other side. Now how I'm going to attach it, I thought it might be a good idea just to run a loop kind of like that, and then hook my hook on there. Might have to take that up a little bit, but it should be okay. And it's got a clutch on it, so I can release the cable and toss it over to the other side. Okay, what I'm going to do today is take the kayak down, put it on our cart, take it out, and then run it up on a new hoist that I built. I'll show you that here in a minute. And use my winch to pull it up, all with one person. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Now I'm going to tie it to the cart. Okay, at this point I've attached the kayak to the winch, and as you can see, the cart, it was still sitting on the cart, and I simply am pulling the cart over on its side, and then eventually the kayak will go on up, and then I'll just hook it into the regular rack. I'll take you up top, show you what's happening up here. Here's the winch with the drill, and we're going to go ahead and keep winching it. Go. Really nice little piece that I invented. It's got a little bolt on the bottom of it right here, and it lays in the screen. My rack has that diamond shaped screening in it, so it just sits in there and holds itself, because most of the weight is pushing down anyway and just a little bit forward.